Months ago, while we were still in the very early stages of planning our trip, I came across pictures of the Sumidero Canyon in Mexico. It looked amazing and eventually led me to learn about San Cristobal de las Casas, which turned out to be one of our favorite stops along our route so far.
From San Cristobal de las Casas, you can easily join a tour to go visit Sumidero Canyon. It was simply a beautiful day trip and surprisingly affordable.
The Sumidero Canyon is a deep natural canyon located just north of the city of Chiapas de Corzo, in the state of Chiapas in southern Mexico.
The canyon's creation began around the same time as the Grand Canyon in the United States. The Grijalva River, which formed the canyon so many years ago, still runs through it today.
Sumidero Canyon has vertical walls which reach as high as 1,000 meters, or 3,300 feet. The canyon is surrounded by the Sumidero Canyon National Park, a federally protected natural area of Mexico.
Visitors can view the canyon from boats which embark on the river from Chiapas de Corzo. Since we visited as part of a tour, our transportation to and from the boat dock, as well as the boat tour, were all included in our $15 price.
The guide shared facts about the canyon with us as we rode the 13 kilometers or 8 miles through the canyon and back.
We saw a crocodile, some monkeys, and many birds and ducks along the way. In addition, we stopped at the Cave of Colors and a seasonal waterfall called the Christmas Tree.
The boat tour was a beautiful way to take in the view of Sumidero Canyon, and we highly recommend this day trip for anyone in San Cristobal de las Casas.
As always, hit the subscribe button to get more great travel videos from us, or head over to our Patreon page to learn about our community.
I'm Kayla.
And I'm Silas, wishing you luck with your upcoming adventures.